You could see our tail of the tape for the first bout of the night. Minus 4,000 for the Sandstorm, plus 1,700 underdog. Bill Reeg has a lot of work to do. 309 pounds for Arashi, 285 for the American. 1 inch in height differential, but 3 years in age. Madison, number 12 seed, Bill Reeg, has a lot of work cut out in front of him.
He does. And the guy he's going against, number 1, Oosuna Arashi, he doesn't have much to lose. I mean, he has everything to lose, and number 12 seed doesn't have anything to lose. But this is a good matchup because this is the projected winner of the entire thing against somebody who's seen as an underdog. If he can get an upset tonight, this will be big.
And boy, do they happen. Let's get it going and send it inside to Gaz Sakura.
Ladies and gentlemen, 3 battles will determine this match. Introducing first on my left, weighing 285 pounds from Sunnyside, Queens, New York, introducing Bill Reeg. And now his opponent across the dojo, weighing 309 pounds from Mansoura, Egypt. He is the great Sandstorm, Oosuna Arashi. And when the action begins, your referee is Ronnie Ullman. Battle 1 winner, Oosuna Arashi. Ladies and gentlemen, your winner of this match, Oosuna Arashi, the Great Sandstorm.
Done. Blitzed right through him. I mean, the Sandstorm buried him, Hans.
Pardon?
The Sandstorm buried him.
Yeah, it was crazy. But he has been professional in Japan, and he has all offers range and things like that. And if you see his footwork, it was perfect.
Let's take it to a couple replays. Hans Borg,
Yeah.
walk me through this.
Yeah. He starts and just push. One push. Did you see that? Only one push with both of his hands. It was simple.
Oosuna Arashi displaying the power of the gods early in our Club Sumo event. First match goes to him. Let's take it to our commentator.
I'm
Madison
here with
Quinn
our winner,
for a quick
Oosuna
post-fight
Arashi.
interview with Oosuna.
Tell us, how did you feel?
It was good, good to be back. And with all respect to all the opponent, I'm here, so they got to be careful.
Absolutely. And when was the last time that you were in a dojo?
Last time it was one time a few months ago last year on Miss Olympia, but before that I was away for at least 4 to 5 years since my retirement in professional sumo in Japan.
Wow, that's awesome. And now that you're getting back after about 4 or 5 years of not being in the dojo, how does it feel to be back?
like getting back home, home sweet home. Yes, I'm the owner of this house. I'm the king, so better be ready.
Absolutely, and we are ready. We're ready to see you throughout the rest of the bracket. Good job tonight,
Thank you so much.
good luck.
Thank you.